Joint pain can make even the simplest tasks feel impossible. It can strike at any time, affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether it's due to arthritis, injury, or overuse, the impact on daily life can be profound and debilitating. Waking up in the morning can be a dreaded experience as the stiffness and pain set in. Walking, which should be a natural and effortless activity, becomes a challenge, each step a reminder of the discomfort. Even just holding a cup of coffee can become an agonizing struggle. The simple pleasure of enjoying a warm drink is overshadowed by the fear of dropping it due to sudden pain. This pain can take over your life, limiting your activities and stealing your joy. Social interactions, hobbies, and even work can become sources of stress and frustration, but there is hope. You don't have to resign yourself to a life of pain and limitations. There are ways to manage and even overcome joint pain, allowing you to live a fuller, more active life. There are natural ways to combat joint pain, regain your mobility, and reclaim your life. Practices like yoga and gentle stretching can improve flexibility and reduce pain. Regular exercise, tailored to your abilities, can strengthen the muscles around your joints, providing better support and reducing strain. This essay will be your guide to understanding and overcoming joint pain. We'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your health. We'll explore the causes of joint pain, from common conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis to less-known issues such as bursitis and tendinitis. Understanding the root cause is the first step in finding effective treatment. We'll delve into the power of diet and exercise. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can make a significant difference. Strength training, when done correctly, can help build muscle and support joint health, and we'll uncover the potential of natural remedies. Herbal supplements, topical creams, and even certain teas can provide relief and support joint health. Together, we can fight back against joint pain and pave the way for a brighter, more active future. Imagine a life where you can climb mountains, play with your kids, and dance joyfully without the constant burden of pain. This journey starts with understanding and taking proactive steps towards better joint health. Joint pain is a common ailment that affects millions of people worldwide. It doesn't discriminate, impacting individuals of all ages, backgrounds, and lifestyles. Whether you're an athlete, a senior citizen, or someone who spends long hours at a desk, joint pain can become a significant issue in your daily life. It's characterized by discomfort, inflammation, and stiffness in the joints. These symptoms can range from mild to severe, sometimes becoming debilitating, and affecting your ability to perform everyday tasks. The pain can be constant or intermittent, and it can affect one or multiple joints. Understanding the root cause of your joint pain is crucial for finding effective solutions. Without proper diagnosis and treatment, joint pain can worsen over time, leading to chronic pain and reduced mobility. Consulting with a healthcare professional is the first step towards managing and alleviating your symptoms. There are various factors that can contribute to joint pain. These can be broadly categorized into several groups, including degenerative conditions, injuries, and lifestyle factors. Each of these categories encompasses a range of specific causes that can affect the joints in different ways. Arthritis, a leading cause, encompasses conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis that damage the cartilage cushioning the joints. Osteoarthritis is often related to aging and wear and tear, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks the joints. Injuries, both old and new, can also lead to pain and inflammation. These injuries might include sprains, strains, or fractures that haven't healed properly. Even past injuries can resurface as sources of pain, especially if they were not adequately treated at the time. As we age, our joints naturally experience wear and tear, making them more susceptible to pain. The cartilage that cushions our joints can deteriorate over time, leading to increased friction and discomfort. This natural aging process can be exacerbated by other factors such as previous injuries or chronic conditions. Other factors like obesity, repetitive motions, and certain medical conditions can also play a role. Excess weight puts additional stress on the joints, particularly the knees and hips. Repetitive motions, often related to certain jobs or activities, can lead to overuse injuries. Additionally, medical conditions such as gout, lupus, and infections can cause joint pain. Understanding these various causes can help in developing a comprehensive approach to managing and alleviating joint pain. The saying, "You are what you eat," holds true, especially when it comes to joint health. The foods we consume can either exacerbate inflammation or help reduce it, directly impacting our joint pain. Certain foods are known to trigger inflammation, making joint pain worse. These include processed foods, sugary drinks, unhealthy fats, and excessive alcohol. On the other hand, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can work wonders in alleviating joint pain. Load up on fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants, which combat inflammation. Embrace healthy fats found in fatty fish, avocados, and olive oil. Incorporate spices like turmeric and ginger, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. By making these dietary changes, you can provide your body with the necessary tools to combat inflammation and reduce joint pain naturally. Motion is lotion. Exercises for healthy joints. Keeping your joints healthy is essential for maintaining an active and fulfilling lifestyle. In this section, we will explore various exercises that can help you achieve just that. Exercise might seem counterintuitive when your joints are aching, but appropriate movement is crucial for maintaining joint health and reducing pain. It's important to remember that not all exercises are created equal, especially when it comes to joint health. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a physical therapist can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. The key is to choose low-impact exercises that strengthen the muscles surrounding the joints without putting excessive stress on them. These exercises can help improve your overall mobility and reduce the risk of injury. Strengthening the muscles around your joints provides better support and stability, which can significantly alleviate discomfort. Swimming, water aerobics, and cycling are excellent options because they provide a full-body workout while minimizing impact on the joints. The buoyancy of water reduces stress on your joints, making swimming and water aerobics particularly beneficial for those with joint pain. Walking is another great low-impact exercise that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll in the park, a brisk walk on a trail, or a relaxing walk on the beach, walking helps to keep your joints flexible and your muscles strong. Yoga and Pilates can improve flexibility and range of motion. These practices focus on controlled movements and stretching, which can enhance joint function and reduce stiffness. Additionally, the mindfulness aspect of yoga can help you become more aware of your body's needs and limitations. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your joints feel stronger. It's important to listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard, too quickly. Consistency is key, and over time you will notice improvements in your joint health and overall well-being. Remember, the goal is to keep moving and stay active, while also being mindful of your body's limits. Natural Allies supplements for joint support. In addition to diet and exercise, certain natural supplements can provide extra support for your joints. Glucosamine and chondroitin are natural components of cartilage, and supplementing with them may help rebuild damaged cartilage and reduce joint pain. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish and fish oil supplements possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, has been shown to reduce pain and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis. Beyond diet and exercise. Other natural remedies. While diet, exercise, and supplements are crucial, other natural remedies can complement your journey toward joint pain relief. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces stress on your joints. Hot and cold therapy can provide temporary pain relief. Epsom salt baths can soothe sore muscles and reduce inflammation. Alternative therapies like acupuncture and massage may also offer relief for some individuals. A holistic approach to joint health. Remember, addressing joint pain requires a holistic approach. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that encompass diet, exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. Listen to your body, consult with your healthcare professional, and find what works best for you. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Consistency is key. Reclaim your life, a future free from joint pain. Joint pain doesn't have to control your life. By understanding its causes, embracing an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, and exploring natural remedies, you can take charge of your joint health and experience lasting relief. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle brings you closer to a future free from joint pain.